People say buying a new car means zero tension, but in the 2026 auto market, that idea is nothing more than a beautiful lie. Today, we're breaking that shiny glass and exposing the truth dealers don't want you to know. In today's video, we'll talk about 5 infamous cars that make experienced mechanics hold their heads in frustration, and 5 real kings that prove to be as valuable as gold on the road. If you don't want to be among those people who throw their hard-earned money into a bad investment, these 5 minutes could be the most important 5 minutes of your life. Let's find out which car sits at the top on paper, but is actually one of the biggest failures. The good, the bad, and the disaster. Part 1. The 5 disasters, worst cars. Number 5. Mazda CX-90. The first car on our list is the Mazda CX-90. It looks like a masterpiece, but wait. Its new turbo engine is still in an experimental phase. Many owners have already reported unusual engine noises and software issues. Until Mazda fixes these problems, buying this car is a serious risk. Number 4. Mitsubishi Outlander. If you think this is affordable luxury, think again. The Outlander's biggest weakness is its build quality and electrical system. Over time, features start failing, and when it comes to resale value, this car drops fast. Number 3. Infiniti QX50. Infiniti offers luxury, but the maintenance costs will make you sweat. Its engine design is so complex that even a small issue can turn into a repair bill worth thousands. Do you really want a car that spends more time in the workshop than on the road? Number 2. Nissan Pathfinder. It sounds like a perfect family SUV, but its history tells another story. Transmission issues can leave you stranded with your family anytime. Nissan has tried to improve it, but the risk is still there. Number 1. Nissan Rogue, the disaster. And at number 1, the Nissan Rogue. Its CVT transmission is a nightmare. In many cases, the gearbox fails right after 50,000 miles. Buying this car is like hitting your own foot with an axe. Part 2. The 5 Kings, best cars. Don't worry. Now let's talk about the cars you can trust with your eyes closed. Number 5. Honda CR-V Hybrid. If you want space and one of the best hybrid systems, nothing beats the Honda CR-V. Amazing fuel economy and a spacious cabin make long trips comfortable and stress-free. Number 4. Subaru Outback. Perfect for adventure lovers. Snow, rough roads, or bad weather, the Outback's durability is unmatched. This car doesn't run on roads. It runs on trust. Number 3. Toyota Highlander Hybrid. The ultimate choice for big families. Its reliability lasts for years, and when it's time to sell, it won't disappoint you. Number 2. Lexus RX Hybrid. The true king of luxury. If you want comfort along with excellent resale value, nothing beats the Lexus RX. This isn't just a car, it's an investment. Number 1. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, the undisputed king. And at number 1, the most reliable SUV in the world, the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Its engine, technology, and reliability make it a global number 1. This is the kind of car that still feels new even after 200,000 miles. So friends, these were the 2026 cars that can either build your life or leave you standing on the roadside. Always research before buying a car and never fall for looks alone. Which of these cars have you experienced? Let us know in the comments. If you like this honest breakdown, subscribe to Wish Drive and share this video with your friends. See you in the next one.